Let's go on an adventure into music history. It's the Composer Chronicles from Dynamic Doodle.
Hallo, meine Freunde. That means hello, my friends. My name is Johann Sebastian Bach, and I was born on March 31st, 1685, in a small town called Eisenach, Germany. I lived a life filled with music, and I'm here to tell you my story. I was born into a family of musicians. Bachs were famous for making music. My father taught me to play the violin, and I often heard my family singing and playing together. But when I was just 10 years old, my world changed. Both my parents passed away, and I went to live with my older brother, Johann Christoph. My brother was a talented musician and taught me to play the harpsichord and organ. He had a collection of beautiful music, but he didn't always let me look at it. So, at night, I would sneak into his room, copy the music by the moonlight, and learn as much as I could. I was determined to become the best musician I could be. As I grew older, I became known as one of the best organists in Germany. My music career took me to many towns and cities where I worked as a church musician, taught students, and even played for royalty. One of my most famous pieces is the Toccata and Fugue in D minor. You've probably heard it. It starts with those bold, dramatic notes that make you feel like something amazing is about to happen. I wrote it to show off the power and beauty of the organ. Some say it's one of the greatest organ pieces ever written. I wrote a lot of music, over 1,000 pieces. Some of my other well-known works are the Brandenburg Concertos, and the Well-Tempered Clavier. I also love teaching. So I wrote pieces to help my students learn. Even now, musicians play my music and find new ways to enjoy it. You know, people often ask how I was able to write so much music. I always say, I worked hard. Anyone who works as hard as I did will achieve just as much. The final aim and reason of all music is nothing other than the glorification of God and the refreshment of the spirit. I truly believed that talent alone wasn't enough. You had to put in the effort and practice every single day. My family was very important to me. I had 20 children. Yes, 20. Sadly, not all of them survived, but many became musicians like me. My home was always filled with the sound of music, laughter, and learning. In my later years, I began to lose my eyesight. But I never stopped composing. Music was my life and my gift to the world. On July 28, 1750, I passed away. I lived during the Baroque Era, a time when music was full of intricate patterns and powerful emotions. My music lives on and continues to inspire people. I hope my story inspires you to keep learning and share your talents. Danke, meine Freunde. That means thank you, my friends. And now it's time to say Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. Keep making music, and perhaps one day your melodies will echo through history too.